That's one of the things I love most about Pointe homes is that you are able to personalize all your finishes so that you can get the home that you truly feel best in. Something that fits your personal style, whether you like very coastal, very modern, something a little bit more traditional, or maybe just something kind of contemporary. You want to pick the home and your finishes that best reflects you, your personal style, and what makes you feel like you're right at home. Are you guys ready to see the full house? Well, come on, let's take you for a tour. To get this coastal modern look, it's all about picking the right finishes, from light walls to wide plank flooring and black accents. One of the things I love about all three floor plans for the Poulsbo Meadows community is that they all have a space that's either for an office or for homeschool space. The office sits right off this open concept living room and kitchen that has an incredible floor-to-ceiling tile fireplace and awesome backsplash. We all know the kitchen is the heart of the home, and that's why it is probably the most important space for most people to be able to personalize. At Pointe Homes, you have the option to personalize every finish in your kitchen, from the flooring, the cabinets, the cabinet color, the style of your cabinet doors, the hardware, your backsplash, whether you want a microwave above your range or a really pretty hood. Here's a look at a different kitchen that includes the cabinets that every Pointe home comes with in a really beautiful earthy tone. I want to take you upstairs and show you how awesome the upstairs floor plan is for families. Now, every single floor plan has one of these open landing areas that you can choose to turn into another TV area, a playroom, or maybe just a hangout spot. One of the things I noticed about all of the primary bedrooms and bathrooms in each of the three floor plans here is that they are so spacious. It's amazing. You can see in the primary bedroom in this that they have two full dressers on either side of the bed, and it still has plenty of room where it does not feel cluttered. Walk into the primary bathroom, keep in mind that you can personalize just about every finish in this space from floor to ceiling, from your paint color, your tile flooring, the tile shower, and all of the hardware that you put on all of the faucets. The sleek black hardware paired with the white cabinetry give this bathroom a modern yet timeless look. In my own home, my kids share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and one of the things that caught my eye in this space is that this little kids corner, you have two bedrooms, a bathroom, and it's all kind of tucked away in this little corner. It's the perfect setup where kids feel like they have a little bit of their own space and can kind of hide those messes. While we're talking about kids and messes, that also means a lot of laundry. So let's head into the laundry room. In every floor plan I toured today, they all have these amazing sized laundry rooms. They all have enough space for cabinetry, washer, dryer, and a nice little sink station because that is so convenient. I think that's one of the things I have been most impressed with as I walk through all three layouts for the Poulsbo Meadows community is that they are all so functional. They have really large primary bedrooms and bathrooms, making it awesome for parents. They have designated kid spaces. They have a place for everything, whether it's putting your shoes somewhere when you come in from the garage, whether it's an office space or a play area, and the landing space when you go at the top of the stairs is just perfect for families. They definitely pack a lot into these homes to make them the best layout possible for your family. And the best part is you can keep personalizing it from there. For more information on the Poulsbo Meadows community, visit the Pointe Homes website where you can sign up for the interest list and schedule an appointment to tour this home yourself.